Area 1 of the grant is the area that deals with worker safety training. We've developed 8 courses that we present under the grant to not only technicians and supervisors, but also law enforcement officers who happen to work in work zones, and utility operators, and anyone whose actions may affect the safety of the work zone.
For the existing people that's been in the industry for a while, it gives you a chance to get updated, remind you of stuff that you've taken for granted.
The most significant thing about Area 1 is for our audience to recognize that training simply saves lives. The Traffic Control Technician course, or TCT course, is intended for technicians or highway workers that risk their lives by going into the highway environment and setting up devices and setting up work zones. Through the training that we provide, they have the ability to do it properly so they can improve their own safety and the safety of the motoring public. The Traffic Control Supervisors course is intended for those technicians who wish to become supervisors. They are responsible not only for the implementation of a traffic control plan in the field, but also for documentation and supervising others, so they can be safer and also the work zone operates more efficiently and more safely.
This training is invaluable right now because we may lose sight of what actually we think we're doing something right, but we're not in compliance, which is a key issue. We need to be in compliance with the state government. We need to be in compliance with the standards to make sure that we don't have any issues.
They're valuable courses, so what we try to do is with the federal grant, it has allowed us to place a lot more of our employees into these training courses.
The Flagger Instructor Training Course, or FIT, is a 2-day course intended for those who wish to become trainers or flaggers. ATSA has a flagger certification program, and we have the ability to train individuals who wish to become flagger instructors by going through a 2-day course. They learn not only the basics of flagging control or flagger control, but also how to teach the course properly, how to be able to pass the knowledge to others. For me, as an educated person in this area, it's quite common for me to drive through a work zone and I can tell who's been trained and who's not been trained by simply looking at how the work zone has been set up. And if I can do this, I'm sure lawyers can do this and the motoring public can do this. So we have not only the aspects of meeting the standards and the guidelines, but also the litigation aspects and also the public relations aspects of the work zone.
For more information about the Work Zone Safety Grant, visit fhwa.dot.gov, atsa.com, or workzonesafety.org. To register for one of the many roadway safety training courses available through the grant, visit atsa.com or call 877-642-4637.